here's how to use Google Pay on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you prefer to use the Google Wallet to pay for various things, I'm going to show you how. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if we open up the App Store here and we search for Google Wallet, you'll find that it doesn't pop up with anything. There's no Google Wallet app for your iPhone. For whatever reason, Google has decided to not create one for your iPhone. However, you can still access the Google Wallet or Google Pay by opening up a web browser here. And on a web browser, you can either go to pay.google.com or wallet.google.com and hit go. Now, you're going to, of course, need to log into your Google account that you want to access. And you can see here, all right, I have a card linked on there. I can hit add payment method, and I can add a credit card or debit card or a bank account to my Apple Pay so that my wallet can use that to buy things and check out. Now, after I go through that process, you can see if I scroll down to the Google Wallet app here, it shows me about this, but you can see if I go to the very bottom, again, it says, unfortunately, only available on Android. So essentially what you need to do is use the web-based version. So we can go back over to the Google Wallet here. And on here, basically it says all you need to do is you can use it for autofill or pay for various things on websites. So as long as you're logged into Google, your Google account here, and you go to various websites, then you can basically go here and set up the Google Pay, and you can start buying things on the web. You won't necessarily be able to use Google Pay for a transaction, basically going up to a specific kiosk, a coffee shop, maybe a grocery store, something like that. You can't use it for that, but you can use it on any website. And then, of course, you can always use Apple Pay as well, just by double tapping that side button there. And then it'll just pop up with your cards that you have associated with your Apple Pay or your Apple Wallet. And you can use the same cards on your Google Pay as well as your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.